Welcome back, YouTube. Here we are. Just got the Jeep cleaned up, as you can see, what we just threw up. We are getting ready to go to an audio show. About to bring the Jeep out there. Got it all cleaned up. Would have recorded cleaning it, but it seemed kind of boring, and my phone needed to charge, so without my phone, I can't record. Got some new stuff on the Jeep. Got all new steering. Got an orange. Got 1 ton BK Fab steering. Had a video to put up about putting it on and installation when we did it, but something happened when I was editing it, and I somehow deleted it on accident, like an idiot. We still got a few more things to put on, so we will have a video of putting the rest of the stuff on my Jeep once it comes time to get the rest of the stuff on. These are all boxes of stuff for the Jeep. We got a package sent over. Shout out to FCK Light Bars. Got 16 rock lights in here to put on the Jeep. Got 16 of these bad boys. We got a few things from Rough Country, like sway bar, drop brackets, U-bolts. I have no idea what's in that box. I can't remember. And then here we have a new track bar, an over the axle track bar to get put on the Jeep. Has to get painted and then have to find someone to weld it. But yeah, the Jeep's finally getting the love it needs after a really long time. Well, we're currently in the Jeep, about to bring my mom some chips at work, and then we're gonna slide over to the show, and I'll see you when we get there. All right, no, we had to make a quick pit stop while sliding. Had to get a little double cheeseburger, no mustard. Just gonna be gas. We've got here, we are in the line. This place is deep. Lots of cars, lots of lowered cars. I like that little, I don't know what that is, but it looks kind of cool. All right, we're here and we got our spot. Jeep's all cleaned. Forgot my spray so I could wipe it when I was sitting here, but she's shining. Place is pretty packed. Some decent trucks, some mud trucks, lowered cars. Got a whole group of Stingers over there. They even got a hearse here. That's actually tough. And whatever that is. Tricked out Camaro. Damn. I don't know if it was my black side or not, but something just drawed me to a Challenger and then a donk. This thing is absolutely baller. I want one really bad. Full sides, like old cars, old antiques, old muscle cars. This is baller too. Dang. And we got stuff like this. This thing's baller as hell. Old mail truck with the Jeep grill. Honestly, I have no clue what this is. Or this, but this looks really cool. There's jail bars in the back of it. That's sick. Dang. This thing is actually clean as hell. Just walking, and what do I see in the distance? A squatted Cherokee. What are the odds? This first gen is super clean. Bedliner. Oh, and it's manual. On the forces. The other 3 trucks are out. Now this one's stuck. It's like a mud fest at a car show. That didn't last long, he's stuck again. Y'all, look at this minivan. This thing is pimped. Ready for the wine and dine. This thing's baller. Currently sliding back from the show to our town. Show was pretty good. There was a lot of people. Decent turnout. A lot of people rode my Jeep down, but I didn't get anything, which was expected in the Jeep truck category. There was a lot of giant trucks, as you see, and old school cars. But yeah, we'll see you when we're back in the house. Hey! Alright, well, it's the next day, and there's the Jeep. Still somewhat clean, decently clean. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. See you, bye.